Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. So, in science, we have completed with 15 blocks, isn't it, children? So, today we will start with the 16th block, which is water pollution. Okay, if you see the earth, children, so earth is mostly covered with water, and this water is in the form of oceans and seas. But we cannot use this water which is in oceans and seas. Why? Because this water which is in oceans and seas have a lot of salt. So it is a salt water. So this salt water we cannot use it for our day to day life, like for drinking or for bathing or for cooking food. We cannot use. We can only use fresh water which we get from rivers, lakes, springs, ponds, etc. Okay, and these clean water does not have any smell, any color or taste. They are tasteless, colorless and smellless. Okay, odorless. Okay, so in this block we are going to learn how the water is polluted. Okay, which is our first topic, polluted water. So what do you mean by polluted water? When the river water or the fresh water is mixed up with some dirt like mud, dirt, oil, plastic, paper. Can you see in the picture, children? Yes, so chemicals, if these garbage, dust, or if these things get mixed up with the water gets polluted. Then it becomes dirty. Okay, so then that water is called as polluted water. Okay, if the water is mixed up with the harmful things, will make the water polluted, and the what all these things like dirt, oil, plastic, paper, garbage, chemicals, these all are called as pollutants because they are polluting the water, isn't it, children? That's why they are called as pollutants. Okay, and these pollutants can make the water look dirty, bad. Can you see what is the color of the water? Very dirty, isn't it, children? So these pollutants make the water look dirty, smell dirty, and also it is not safe for drinking this water. We cannot use these polluted water for drinking or for bathing or cleaning. No, we cannot use it. Okay, so that is called polluting the water. Okay, and this polluted water is very dangerous, children. It does not look good. The water color changes, it smells bad, and also it is not good for us. Okay, so this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them and write it in your classwork. Coming to your question answers, mention 5 uses of river water. So what all uses you do? Drinking, cooking, washing clothes, cleaning utensils, watering plants. This we have already learned in the previous block, isn't it, children? The uses of water. So that you can mention any 5 uses. It's your wish. Okay. Next question. How does water become polluted? Write the names of any two pollutants. So how does it get? When the pollutants get mixed up with the water, when the harmful substances or things mixed up with the water, then the water gets polluted, isn't it? So that's what you will mention. And what are the two pollutants? In this you can write any two pollutants, children. Here I have written garbage and plastic, or you can also write chemicals, oils, mud, dirt, plastic, paper. All these you can mention. In this you can mention any of the two. Okay, so write these two answers in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 2, page number 40, S1, dirty water. Okay, so in the next class we will learn about the rivers, polluted rivers, which is Yamuna. Okay, so see you in the next class, children. Bye.